Oh yeah, Juma.
But your Juma me and say me shadow.
Oh shadow I say old overhead.
Old overhead. And your new station there new.
Old overhead.
Old overhead top oh. Na my shadow car.
Okay. Auntie.
Oh I for I'm a miska. Nti kakra menya no. Na me da boa me wife.
Okay.
Nti me nkobokron.
Debbie.
Me nti me nkopro benje ni sika.
Sure.
Me yesa I put the law into my hand. So be your bonia. Fachen.
Wow. This is deep.
Ewiase no yemfe nko ba bia mu se ewiase abefa de efe e wo se osifie ni hu se won so aye bi sabi ade ama Christian name is Robert Bill Ni Otu. My father came from where? Otu Bloom, that's the seaside. And my mom is from Eastern region, Chibi, Amanfro. That's where I come from.
Okay.
And as you know what I'm telling you right now, you know something? My father is dead and gone. And I'm the only person who is the only last born in our family.
Wow.
You see, 10th born. Into vernacular, they will say I be what? Bedu.
Bedu, yeah.
Very good. We through that Bedu thing, where did they talk about it, you know? Me, they are no sabi kidi. Where I can pursue my elders by force for them to do what? Do what me I go satisfy my body. Or maybe I no go do that rushing, that giddy or fighting or something. So they know what they have to do.
Yeah.
But all do know they are not God.
Sure.
So me, I know nobody cannot pursue me down. Only God.
Only God
can pursue me down. Though I'm a school dropout.
Okay.
But I know Bible.
You know Bible?
I swear.
Which year did you drop out of school? Were you at the senior high or JSS?
JHS.
Wow. But you speak good English.
Very good. At Apenkwa Sheano. Sheano. JSS. I was into Sheano 3 primary before I went to Sheano GSS.
Oh, okay.
But on my third term,
yeah.
At GSS 3, by then I was selling a weed.
You were selling weed?
Yes.
At school?
At school. I started at class 4.
Wow.
Where nobody knows. So as I was selling the weed, one of my classmates or my senior, one of my senior, he come outside, he can't talk me. Oh, Robert. So, Charlie, my boys want something, so please, I beg you, help me. Make I give them some weed, make them smoke. Not to know me, it was a setup. While I didn't know.
No.
Very good. So, I know say he's my senior. He is always punishing me. Man, they will feed buy food. Then chop for a year.
Okay.
They will come into my class at this church. Hey, who's Roberto too? Senior, yes. Oh, senior, I did. Come here. Go and pick that rubbish. Then put it into the dustbin.
Unnecessary punishment.
Very good. Not knowing they want me to mingle with them.
Okay.
But that was in my mind. Because I went to school to learn. Not to sell weed. But as I started, I mingle with what? People where they smoke ganja. Where that does not mean say them be bad boys.
Wow.
They are always influence me say, make I do the good things. And if I'm doing something wrong self, I swear before God and man that maybe I'll be under influence of what? Alcohol. That's why maybe my life became so. But I'm not a small boy. I can even call anybody for here. I show somebody browsing right now where the person they carry Corolla X.
Wow.
Latest one, black, where you go spray I'm white right now. As you can call me, he was there. You see the girl who was following me?
Yeah.
In boyfriend.
Okay.
He was the one I show I'm browsing. I go feel call anybody for a year. Like they can't prove if I'm lying. But if you do something for your friend or your brother or anybody who doesn't know anything from Adams,
Yeah.
you shouldn't have to do what? Say it in public.
Wow.
Because we get public sentiment.
Yeah.
And we get what? Ashamed what? People. You see, you ask me, say, do I know into Bible?
Yeah.
I hope you have a data.
Yeah, I have data on my phone. Yeah.
Please go Google. After you go Google, tell me. Make I ask you only one question
Okay.
for you to answer me. And if I'm lying, just do what? Sack me from your side. Because Ghana belongs to us. Some people are not wearing no masks. Even if, see, ask me them and chairman or my, I don't know the kind name I have to use for him. Obofo,
Yeah.
I like that. Call me stubborn.
Stubborn.
Very good. But me, Nana Kwesi is my traditional name. And my Christian name is Robert Bill Niotu. But my nickname is what? Stubborn. Or this year proud. I'm proud of my stubborn. Why? Of course.
Yeah.
Because I'm not a stealer. I'm not a rebel. But I'll be stubborn on money. I dey search for money, not fighting.
Wow.
Wow. So I hope you did a go there. Of course. So shall we?
Yes, we can.
Shall we?
We can.
So let me ask you one question. Baby girl, I hope you are listening. What's your name?
Ame. Benis Ame.
Benisame. I hope you are listening.
Yeah.
And you too.
Ras.
Very good. This is Audacious Stubborn Proud, aka Nana Kwesi, alias Robert Bill Ni Bill Otu. See, what I'm about to tell my senior brother right now is, do you believe in God?
I believe in God. Sure.
So, do you have a hope say God will help you
Yes, I have that belief.
into some day to come?
Yes.
The days are out of us.
Sure. Sure.
Do you have the belief?
Yeah, I have that belief.
So, should I give you any quotation that you go read and know that I'm not a bad person?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you into Google?
I'm into Google now.
Okay. I have to mention the title or the heading of the word, the quote.
Okay.
Romans 5:5.
Romans
And
5.
hope does never put us into what? A shame.
Shame. Yeah.
Go there, then read louder. Make everybody hear, please.
And hope does not put us to shame, because God's love has been poured out into our hearts through the Holy Spirit, who has given to us. This is from the King James Version.
Very good. That is KJV.
Yes, KJV.
That is King.
Yes,
King what?
King James Version.
Very good. KJV.
Yeah.
Very good. So, I'm somebody like, let's say, example, like Duncan Williams.
Okay.
He was once time a robber.
Yeah.
He has killed so many people as he was a robber. And he has made so many people became a what? Disabled. Why? Maybe they didn't dead, but what? Their hand or their leg. So they are disabled.
Yeah.
So I'm telling you right now, me, myself, and I, so many people have been telling me, say, me, I will be becoming a future pastor. But I'm telling you that Duncan Williams was a robber.
Yeah.
He has killed so many people, so many disabled people. But please, the time they caught him as a robber or a criminal or a thief, that day, then beat him for him to go dead. But God knows what he has
For him.
Duncan Williams.
Yeah.
So
Now he's a great man of God.
So they did what? You see, how much is my
5 fingers.
5 fingers.
Yes.
My fingers is how much?
5.
5. They cut this, then leave this.
Yes. The 3 is out, remaining 2.
Remaining 2.
Yes.
But his left hand is full of 5.
Yes.
So if he's about to do what? If he's about to preach, he's using in 2 hands.
Yes.
As a microphone to preach.
Yeah.
And if you enter into his church, the amount of population into his church is more than Greater Accra population.
Yes.
If I'm lying,
it's true.
God is my witness.
Yes, he has so many people under his congregants.
Even above us, if he passed on me.
Yeah.
Mine 7.
Yeah.
Taifa.
Yes.
In population are many.
Yes.
You see. So in this world, what I have to say is that if somebody and I say Sebita Frache will be our auntie the American Natia.
Yeah.
So be your bonia Fachen.
Wow. This is deep.
If you are so young fan cover be a woman say you are some Friday. Efe. I was so sifi. You was on Swabi. Sabi I da mama. Now Mbanu Swinia. Omu say papa si fie mamu. Nti omo so manya yere ne mba no. Ano manya kununu. Omo so mama kununu. Ai den esi fie ni bia mamu. Na omo so mama no. Enwu so mama fie. Said the be omo so munyia. No masibi. That is the family trending.
Yeah.
Nti ne wi ase no. So amenya. Meka asema chiro. Me dende na nakwesi. Ifiche bia manfro. Your na mekano. And now the elected no. That was Wednesday. Now me go make room. 9th.
Yeah.
9th December.
Yeah.
That was Wednesday.
Yeah.
And elected and now.
Yeah.
I will make room as a president.
Sure.
Intimina na kwesi tonight. Me de. So whom wa frame.
Sure.
Now only make us nyame nhyira any colleagues and our co-workers.
Amen.
Nyame nhyira mu.
Amen.
Because asem na maka no se Sebita Frache me kro mi nyoma mpani obetie de meka na obo nsem ye den me kanya nsasem na the Sebita Frache oya against no ana oni adwempa no eno ebe den
we kono
na emu ni bibi ade ba ko akiri ma adwen so.
Yes, okay.
Ami pese meka. Intimpacho. Boarding school no me boys no. Any boarding school no me some here girls in kwano. Enyo mo no me de sa lesbianity ni ba ni sa gayism ni ba.
Obisa asemo.
Imano.
Enu die. Untimi nsi ni pi se eno enenam sa ade ma ne so e ma ne ba but ebi nso so e wo sa gidie ni se sa ne ma no ebi mu hyase su afiri ho
nti ma men ka se nchiro
metio
se bibi anka prada bibi anka papa
enkoje kire de da
sanet ye nti ade nti na ode mba nko a ebe ko school on one side instead of mix. Why? Because almost you say omo bede ebe form boys and girls once come be form now even though omo form po na so mo wa Bible kra ka say omo masenya den ndore sempo anu den anwea nti den e o problem say obi be ma obi ba be ma ene obi baba anyanyin e wo school minimum obi a okọ school ba wanyin sen wa ba fie owa obeto school ni so ya ask permission in school before this.
Sure.
So the course no there. Ghana no there. Se nanado anya bie na no say gay ni dey on dia on pay. Wa obeye na nanado be bie na no obeka no because nanado he is the head of the army.
Yeah. He's the commander in chief.
Very good. So in Zambia or Gambia. Omo case no omo election no. Asemba o.
Yeah.
Nanado ko ana no mo kasa no mo ko den round of 16. Amoko round of 16. Ana nanado ko den no mo nje breo ana mo tribute Ano one president.
Sure.
And then we say Asumdwa there.
Asumdwa Aba.
Aba.
Yeah.
Very good. Inti sana was saying so a president. Meaning the free crew.
Sure.
Inti also no sunya sa Ghana.
Sure.
Chebi ni free.
Sure.
Obroni krom.
Yeah.
Minim nanado fie.
Okay.
Minim nanado ni maame ne papa fie. The oxycan so no.
The big six.
Mbacho wine.
Akufo-Addo Nana.
Mbacho wine. One chess person. Mbacho one chess person.
Omohu.
Mbacho one chess person. If anything. If anything.
Nana-Addo.
Yes. Inti niba na be
Abedi president.
was standing how many good times? 3 times.
Yeah.
And son oba be
President.
elected of president.
Yeah.
Odi ye no. Tami ado masan so di bi enu poni ade ni court. And then me share news. Election 2020. Petition.
Yeah.
Was going on this morning.
Yeah.
But I didn't watch it. So me name their court.
Omo they marry. Omo say court no petition no. There's no.
That is the roundup they have to go.
Yeah.
But no, Nana-Addo is the winner.
Yes. Omo declare Nana-Addo winner.
So if you go right now, who is the winner?
Nana-Addo.
Very good.
Sure.
So what they are doing now is a what?
Waste of time.
No be waste of time. Kululu.
Okay.
Because some people won't get their commission. Because then give them the job where they no fit do them.
Okay.
So their body all do them. Eshishomo. Say, Kai, Oma Mini Ama in this now. And I say MPP now. But then we be adi you.
Yeah.
But my body problem.
MPP and NDC.
NDC. Yeah. Very good. When we need ya, and yes, minimum be a dream. We need to go on a match or China DBC. Minti minyesa, me or Chini ba minum brim.
Yeah.
Ajenkwana na minum brim in Kasa.
Sure.
Into the American.
They
catch you, say, I'm more mine. And Brady.
Now, survivor.
Yes.
What could you do?
In Patron called Jada.
Why engage yourself in Tokwa be like in Tokwa day pra abemuda?
Patron. Na boy be the maker. Your friend are quite lazy.
Okay.
No achimata. Railway sinesu. No the maker. No see me say. I said a minute yeah. No see what china menya den. Me meje. Intade chiano. Misu taku minishwe.
Chebienu.
Ana me kwa achimata railway sinesu. Me do one now only boy be yen tokwa. Boy ni friend as aigbe. Say na unim say amanfo omo achimota wono apata ni sa onfi omo ba me me free abeka no mo no me du ono me nim spirit anyankopon di mami and odi she me musa amene nim me tia na aigbe den na wo ye no fasika ni mami no de sika ni she me say no giant tokwan anakoe satam na train ye adwuma enya ndo mo say railways Intinam the Peter Sherman. Sorry, Master. And I'm here then. Meko. Timeko and I'm here then. Me so more many no. Omo ma me sign be say. As obi di bibi fi machi ba. Ba me so anyim na metie no.
Wadwini so.
Won here then. Tell aben hwe se de eden.
Today.
Bankrofo ne sound e dey omo ye sign no many. Se menya den. Menya den.
Soro.
Mechi mechi. Enti me dani mechi ni wa pai to anu na me bisa ni say I gbe den. Osimi for sika no sika me da koto echire o. Ewa no de to ana wo me ya. No sanso di wo me ya. Enti me so me de bufu. Eso na ata den ne konsi. Ana me twe ni ba na me head no. Won se be ma bia se be otun sa obechim
yeah
ansa na watun sa because 2% wadin be
ebom
enti me chim ya no not no onu abie kwan no enti me chim na nso no nye de e pie fi o enti sa me bua anu ni
Who say Ebiwa? No, yeah.
Or me at first.
Oh,
No, me at second. And I'm assuming the PO and I'm a kutai. And I call a general police. That's no police station. On the dinner coin. And the dinner quatch matter. And I'm the one drape. It's serious. And I'm transfer me ambulance call colleague.
wow.
So me di me call you na still me kuta me soon.
Survivor.
Yes. Into one of me there. I'm say somebody me go theater that is me 3,000 Ghana cedis. So I be go China dey me di nechi. I be go China. In Tanzania be go China, in squad be go China no. I know here there. Or this can buy or send instant mobile money. 2017 and 7 I catch on.
Hey.
No, I'm me here there. Era theater. Me run theater na my wife. Aging how. Oh, she mama. My sister, she mama. I know me you say.
No baba so
Me baba because me say me way.
Oh,
yes. Because me soon that. Me soon color violet. Be say any doctor operation. Say me boa. Sa doctor no nya doctor wapa.
the person color ni violet. Wow.
And you're red. Violet. She. So far.
Kafra.
Shaminsa. What's that mean? Shaminsa. What's that we have from?
Yeah, we know from Kakra now.
Artist now then. Artist.
Yeah.
And in events not. And pray. In Imboni am I. Oh, my time is sir. Me ni su na ehye. Anu nche se me ekronfo.
Yeah.
Me shorana pa. Me kwaya ward. Me onkwala me enu. Me try me second born school fees na COVID-19 jeni humbeji. Yes, school fees na etu anu.
Ashegu.
Nti osi etu another one. Enu wan bobo nyame adom me ma o miska me tua. Still, ya saki Friday we ask me no kaka Friday we are. Nti me sra ban. Eni ompanyfo. Eni omo wana se. Eni Ghana penifo asabi mo wanyansa. Betimi na makasa. Even though akola tu penifo. Penisu akolafo. Nti is Lesson Leonardo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Or a penny as Ghana President, Republic of Ghana, and Empanacho. Omi and celebrity your former president, the one who collected the Ghana independence, which is
Dr.
Kwame
Nkrumah.
Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. And next week I seminar me catch you.
Yeah, I didn't think I would say a celebrity Kwame Nkrumah.
Because they are saying that something can do COVID-19.
Yeah, COVID-19 about.
I say it's a scam.
Oh,
Of course, it's a scam.
Survivor.
So, what's your name?
Michael.
Michael. I'm asking you a question. So, I sure say this COVID-19 virus is it into any country? We call it the whole world. Like what?
It's in the country. It's in the world.
It's in the world.
Yes.
Which countries? Can you mention all the countries? No, you can't.
Yes, I can't.
I like the truth.
Yes, I can't.
Very good. So it's a scam. Why they are not forcing the Asian countries, people? You get Vietnam.
Vietnam is there. Yes. Yeah.
Are they having some?
No.
But they say China.
Yeah, China.
Isn't Vietnam Asian country?
Yes, it's an Asian country.
China is not Asian country.
Asian country.
Japan too.
Yeah, Japan too.
Korea.
Korea too.
Then Thailand.
Thailand. Yeah. From Singapore to Thailand to it's just a train pass.
So, what about the South Americans? As you hear say this COVID-19 come, did you hear say Uruguay people die or Paraguay people die?
No.
But they say what?
America,
UK,
Germany, Italy, France.
Where you go travel go, no?
Yes.
So say the protest, no? Then go chop their own. Because they pay them already. Why did they get their commission to? I swear, I go to stand court. What I'm saying, I'm not lying. if you like freedom of speech, freedom of speech, Allah Babu, freedom of speech. I'm saying something. I've talked about 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Now, I'm not saying truth. Forget about anybody who come and pass. And
no, forget.
You're having a chat.
Sure.
I like the respect you gave me.
Sure.
Where did you take me from? That side.
Yeah.
Here you come this side.
Sure.
Yes. So, Nankopon, your bony friend here.
No bono buafo.
And in the Puma.
Sure.
Intimate any friendly. And now we am in Buafo. And in Puma.
Na kwesi number no komo ayedi street talk na ye di komo yaba to the ghettos everywhere obia nkasa wo man Ghana mu ha no ehun behia se yiti obia adwene sebi enye obia na wonimdie ene me ba ye me na kwesi di komo no hunte for the past bare 15 minutes or can profo ko throughout chiba kokora mfrem enkan kokora mfrem ono aka no adane ba twi ono ya no asade akobrofo this tell you or say you drew JHS and or drop it out school school drop out and I'll share brofo awoka is so in depth nyansa e won trim
it's a grammar
yeah sure enti yeni aba mani din come what the whole life story what went on during usha ne kwala abremu enema wo ye tokwa kokon oni obi ne be kon ya sebi ne nsono ebe yigu ne nsem nkwala a wo hwe wo mu ene ade ne nyina no o matu yes
kojokito ne kojopeni
kojokito orientafo ana
no they are all Monday bones
oh okay kojokito na kojopeni wow so emema mean wow enti onu aso na esahwe o ye adwuma
pacho adwuma me ne se me shadow
o shadow ase ne se
anu che se me kojina old overhead
old overhead
anya new station there new
old overhead
top na ma shadow car
okay auntie
I for ama miska nti kakra menya no na me da boa me wife
okay
ntimi nkobokron
Debbie
ntimi nkopro benjeni sika
sure
me yesa I put the law into my hands
sure
why the law to no it shouldn't have to be into my hands but me na se me yesa dia me da to me sem
sure
nti na wi aso ne wa bre ho ase enchenche wa na fe what you say de obenya no nyame be ya ma de hiane se obeda forget se bit fracture ono munsa ana sabi oshiwi and now fat drugs and now chikoki and now bibi obeda bompaye osori abompaye obeda fa won hye nyame nsa osori anu ada nyame ase because obeda yeda ewu ya owu etse now se woni mo wu anu ahwenda what you say woni mo wu a na wa hwenda nti bompaye na oda yemotumfo na sori o on betima I don be yo but wa bompa nti nyankopon ayede wa bomba na wa bompa epu a nyame nim se wo ye ne dehie na wa de papa bi ma nti o be on ban e o mrekọ mutimi nya hwe nti wi ase e wo no o ma yendo e honam se enyonko anya unyanko ane unya ho anya unyanko ane unya na emu wadamfo o tamfo aye unya yeah
sure na kwesi
yes bro Michael
obi ehwe video yi na o si o me pese me boa stubborn bia me pese me ma stubborn a certain business we you ready and I say o won sa me bia na wo adwuma bi esi woni so a unya adaache wo be ye dia hwe nkwala no
in patrol yon nkwala me no me ya shadow na me dey try manage school fees isi am na ejuma bia ye ana me so sabita fracture me ni match no ba man ko SS ana me te bra phone so
sure
and there is no way wait me my pass it me I can survive
okay
true grammar English or everything because me I be smart boy
sure
and ejuma bia oboafo bia person dey boa me no confirm boa me because elder says a beggar has no choice. That's the only word I will say.
This is deep. A beggar has no choice because he needs help. A bit me aboa no ama ne ma no. They say penny no ewo saying na keto nso wo
Pacho penny no of 14 years. Keto no of 4 years. Keto no cross start school no. Na COVID-19 de no be gym.
Yeah.
Into one bo school vicinity to first one ego. The second one. Me 2.6. Obi am gina kwa won shadow. Ahin na me nya day. And ahin na me ma me wife a day. E me ban pum bae. Bon, ye breo. Bananado, ye penalty ne vote man no.
Sure.
What I say? Sure. Bible say aboa bia de ko ba bia na so mede. Ebejo no. Ntami menya vi me na matwa makufo ado a. Eno nche say me agime fu na metan this. Me ntan on bia. Ba de aboa me da no. Ona me di mani bede. Ebeso no so. Ba onim de obeboa oda achi so.
Sure.
So what I say? Ebi akufo ado ba be free shi. Ofini 4 years ne so a. Obi na adwin say bia NDC and other parties and a bed basso. But when him say bia obi ba bitmedi of MPP parliamentary when him naba. What I say? Until you see the one no asumia now you assume.
Ejeri akuwa twetwe be we ye. Dachi bia wadwene zo obetimi aye sofo.
Me patron.
Wani ji zo be sofo
Me patron.
Wani aji ho.
Me patron.
Wonya sa yi kire na na.
Me patron Nyankopon de bi asumi dae. Me nada.
Wow. Nana Akwesi. Ofiche bi. Amanfro. Osi dachi bia no. Nyankopon aso ne dae. Dachi bia no.
Yes.
Obetimi aye sofo.
Enye se metimi me sofo.
We sofo.
Because me maka nyame asema mo bi asu. Da. Ama ne kotu ma miska. Ama meka cheni se mi peni sika. Ba ne maka no on fem to adwin.
Yeah.
Up to now, se me twe mo pa by force or provision store open ebe ko oni akotwa. O ma me vote me twe as me twe mo. Ya me kan eto na akoma so su mama. Ekotu ma me 10 cedis. Me si there bi.
Na Akwesi. Amema wakwenya he me camera yanim.
Me hwene ni.
Na etu obifu. Obi a future kwa manim. Abamu obu. Awoni ene da so. Kasa kire.
Me pacho. Me nyaba. Me nyaba ma. Me afasi be ma. Me afasi ba. Me ankasa me ma. Ene me mami. Me yere. Me papa. Me wafa. Me auntie. Me nana kanswa. Mo amutie me nyina Ghana man nyina. Ekwesi wi ase ama ne nyina. Fa ne nyina. Muntie me. Abrabo ne die. Sometimes say mama can show. Akwa say when say we lighter. Now we air condition them out feel pan. They doom light fair. No one can yes. Abrabo ne on and off. On and off. When say dia on bonfire. Se nyame ma onko on ni saa. Ne mu me call off poa. E mo abemu nya den. Embu because ebi mu da off mu sa na wo abenya de wo dem sa na wo off one day no o pressure de no mo yes na o blame usage de no mayo enyo mo fault we are the cause of our problems. We are the cause of our problems. I will not mention anybody but the government. Freedom of speech, justice and freedom shall be our own Ghanaians. Please follow me for me to speak what I'm about to tell you Ghanaians. My name is Nana Akwesi. Yes, my brother. My interviewer, Brother Michael.
Sure.
I like that. March. I like you too. Shout out to yourself. Camera boy. I like that.
Yeah.
You shoot me nice. God bless you. May live long.
Thank you. I was for I had too much GH. Many Nana Akwesi.
AKA Audacious Stubborn Proud.
AKA Audacious Stubborn Proud.
From Chebi Amanfrom.
From Chebi Amanfrom. And I mean no etwetwe komo ewo the streets
of Abeka.
Jato
Street.
Yes. Abuabiama, the location, no, I so simple. The amame. Now, Mr. Also, because I subscribe to too much GH. Now, Debiano, young common I didn't street, you know. What me, I follow ye now. What me, Eddie be a two home for. Say, Eddie, Yenia, Bemano, Eka, no. Mama, Yenia, Musa Babon, on and off.
Yes.
So that honor, the Onyamiasi, because will be the off mu, dada. So call off, now on, now call offer. Eka, oh.
Na men prepare on.
Nem prepare ho.
Sir.
We
say obi da off mu be 3 years.
Yeah.
But o da on mu 3 years. Just come on one day now o call off no. Esi na dumintino. And instead of obana oni na bantino. O flexing na wada da we nintino. O pese o flexing no.
Yeah.
So then now go for now you guy with them now you never be now come on fear and landlord no threatening. Meanwhile, you were a tenant.
Yeah.
Well, come on, landlord. Landlord, no age, no issue office.
There be.
Come on,
respect. I'm sorry for ena yedi ebesi. Mama yem to emwa emu bibia wo hiamwa na Ghana etimi fa ne ntuma pa. If I had am bibesi ras ena eboa echinchim camera no. The MI and ras aboy empa be original efa angles no olija knows ebusa for ha any ribesi and ase kese enkoma eye mama Kate oba eye abeka ghetto street Jato street you know about Kate e ho na wo edini juma wo ye pedicure medicure
yes
e ho na you know about no eye
na juma ba ka chen me ko me ya de na o jimiska
o de ye de be kasa